अभी क्योंकि हम थेरेपिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं तो दीपिका पादुकोण ने एक बार बोला था कि आई एम इन डिप्रेशन एंड
हुँ,
एवरीवन लिटरली एवरीवन जज्ड हर।
हुँ,
सलमान खान ने उसी दौरान एक वर्डिंग्स यूज़ की थी कि मेरे पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं है कि मैं थेरेपी ले सकूँ, मैं डिप्रेशन में जा सकूँ,
हुँ,
ठीक है? बहुत लोग डिप्रेशन के बारे में जानते ही नहीं हैं। लोग बोलते क्या फालतू की बीमारी है
हुँ,
ना? मगर अगर आप देखोगे जेनज़ीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन से डील कर रहे हैं।
हुँ,
Altogether they are they have got many things to do, still they are in depression. वो काम
राइट,
भी कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं लेकिन डिप्रेशन में
राइट।
हैं, ठीक है? तो इस चीज़ को कैसे डील किया जा सकता है?
Firstly, it's not just Gen Zs who are going through depression.
प्रीवियस
Um,
जनरेशंस भी
there was a research that
हुँ,
said, और ये भी बड़ी पुरानी रिसर्च है, इसका भी कितना डेटा एक्चुअली में आया होगा, but there was a survey done and according to which it was found 1 in 4 Indian person, 1 in 4 Indian is in depression without any age bar to it.
ओके,
Right? So there could be a 50-year-old person as well struggling. We at this set are like 4 or 5 people over here, and there could be one amongst us who, in our personal lives, internal world,
हुँ,
maybe going through a lot that's
हुँ,
not coming to our faces,
एग्री,
right? Deepika Padukone is clearly not a Gen Z,
या
right? She's a millennial, and I was glad that someone from that, someone who had so much
जनरेशन
power, so much celebrity popularity, spoke so honestly. In fact, Alia Bhatt's sister as well,
हुँ,
right? She also spoke so, they speak so honestly about something that they've been through,
हुँ,
right? This was their lived experience. Now, ये हमें समझना होगा कि low mood is not depression.
हुँ,
Depression, any disorder,
हुँ,
these are all clinical terms.
ओके,
ये clinical terms हैं.
हुँ,
हम Gen Z कहीं ना कहीं या the entire people, हम ऐसे फेंक देते हैं ये words कि अरे मैं I'm going to depression. Or there are memes about OCD all the time
हुँ,
कि गाड़ी में गाड़ी की चाबी गाड़ी लॉक करी ना करी करी है या नहीं करी या फिर जेब में चाबी है नहीं है ये 2-3 बार चेक करने से मुझे OCD हो रहा है.
हुँ,
Right? That's not true.
हुँ,
These are all very loaded terms. Very loaded terms. If you actually meet a person with OCD and they actually tell you about their struggles, it'll be huge.
हुँ,
Gen Z, I would say, is just a generation जो इन conversation से डर नहीं रही है.
उनको
They have,
समाज वो 4
yeah,
लोग का उतना नहीं पड़ा
yeah.
हुआ है।
They have the vocabulary as well, right?
या
Through education, we have the vocabulary कि अच्छा depression कुछ है.
हुँ,
अच्छा OCD is a term. राइट उसका यूसेज गलत सही हर तरीके से हो रहा है बट आई थिंक it's not just Gen Zs
हुँ,
who are suffering, everybody is suffering. Gen Z is the one who is able to point out that, oh, this is suffering and you can actually get help,
हुँ।
right?
वो खुल के बोल रही है कि मुझे नीड है एक हेल्प की। अच्छा जेनज़ीज़ फिर कब आते हैं थेरेपी के लिए?
So there are a lot of reasons why Gen Zs are coming to therapy,
हुँ,
and it is mostly it's a lot of things.
हुँ,
I, in my practice, have seen a lot of clients coming in with anxiety concerns. Right? Anxiety को मैं roughly explain करूँ तो घबराहट.
हुँ,
Right? ये words हमारे older generations में भी बोले जाते थे. घबराहट है, nervousness है, right? बेचैनी हो रही है एक
हुँ,
अलग
हुँ,
सी.
हुँ, हुँ,
Right?
एग्ज़ैक्ट
We're just Gen Zs are just labeling all of that into an English term, anxiety.
हुँ,
Right? हम सबको anxiety होती है. It's a very normal thing
हुँ,
to deal with.
हुँ,
But when it gets too much,
हुँ,
that you're not able to sleep properly, you're not able to eat properly, or you're eating too much, you're sleeping too much.
ओके,
You feel like there's a lot कि कोई reason नहीं है और suddenly at work I felt so anxious.
हुँ,
I felt breathless. That's when it hits a Gen Z person that, oh, I think I need to see someone. I need to see a clinical mental health professional to help me deal with and understand कि चल क्या रहा है.
हुँ,
So anxiety is a big reason. Relationship concerns are also a really big reason, right?
ओके,
Gen Zs are dating,
हुँ,
and even school kids are now on dating apps,
हुँ,
right? College kids have been are on dating apps, and I
ओके,
think when we were in college, we
हुँ,
also started dating.
हुँ,
From that time and being on apps and all of these
हुँ,
Bumble, Hinge, all of that became like big terms and we're all using
हुँ,
such apps. So I think relationship concerns are also one of the biggest things. where Gen Zs are feeling that, oh, this is very real. In fact, you'll be surprised that DU में, Delhi University में एक course start हुआ है on how to manage. It is a short-term elective course. I do not know a lot of structural details about it, but it's about relationship management. Because somewhere professionals saw that people are, thinking of dying by suicide after a breakup. They are not able to handle breakup, and we can't stop people from doing something that, from loving, from liking, from, dating. And that's nothing you should stop yourself from, but you should know how to regulate your emotions. So a lot of these changes are happening, and that's why the Gen Z as a population is very much coming in there.